Hey, Susie here. Here's my chickens. Here's my rooster. Tiny chicken over here. Little white banty. Get ready to dump that water, getting some fresh water in there. There's a hen in the coop, so we're gonna close the door. She's sitting on some eggs. There's my other ones. I put feed in little containers as well as toss it on the ground, and they eat it off the ground. They scratch it up. I use a mixture of a layer mix and scratch that I throw on the ground. My little banty. She's so tiny. There's my goats over in their little pen. There's the stanchion I made. They have tore that thing up. Chicken.